Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy sauce from scratch. Start by collecting pan drippings or butter and gently whisk in equal parts flour to fat to form a roux. Gradually add warm stock while whisking to avoid lumps, then simmer until glossy and thickened. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and freshly ground pepper, and finish with a splash of acid or cream to brighten the sauce. Start warm and relaxed. Gather stock, fat, and flour before you begin. Melt fat and whisk in flour to cook off the raw taste, stirring until it smells nutty. Slowly add warm stock while whisking constantly to prevent lumps and reach a smooth texture. Simmer gently, taste often, and adjust with salt, pepper, or a touch of acid. Remember, patience and gentle heat make silky gravy every time. Use a steady wrist and a warm pot for the best results. After making a roux, add stock in a thin stream while whisking to emulsify and avoid lumps. Lower the heat to a gentle simmer and let the gravy thicken slowly, stirring occasionally for even texture. If it becomes too thick, thin with extra stock. If too thin, simmer a bit longer. Finish with a taste test and small seasoning adjustments for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.